up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be talking to you guys about a product that I have tried out recently, and I wanted to give you guys a little rundown and let you guys know how I've been liking it and whether it is a good product or not. So the product that I'm talking about is the Olay Regenerist Whip with Sunscreen Spectrum SPF 25. If you haven't seen it, it's been floating around Instagram and YouTube. A lot of bloggers and a lot of celebrities have been endorsing it and throwing ads about it on their Instagrams and stuff, so I wanted to give it a try. So I bought it about 2 weeks ago and I have been trying it. I've been using it every day. It mattifies and it's supposed to be a thin formula, perfect under makeup. It's supposed to look very vibrant and supposed to look really beautiful on the skin, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. And just right off the bat, the smell is absolutely incredible. It smells amazing. If I could, comes with like a little thing on it. It still has a lot of product on it, so that's why I haven't thrown it away yet. But the smell is absolutely so incredible, and the texture is, it's white, and the texture is very thin and light, which I love. The thing about some moisturizers, if it's really thick and if it's non-comedogenic, it can clog your pores, and that can sometimes give you acne, which a lot of people don't realize. Sometimes their moisturizers can be too thick, and sometimes it can actually be what's causing you to break out. So the texture of this face cream is very, very soft. It's super velvety, and it makes your skin really matte, but it also gives it this really nice shine. So it makes your skin look super, super healthy and just vibrant, and it just looks really pretty. And it smells amazing. It almost kind of smells like perfume, but not like a crazy strong scent, like very subtle. It smells very clean and it's super light. So I definitely love this moisturizer. It's $28, which is a little bit pricey for a drugstore face moisturizer, but it's definitely worth it because I have a Chanel moisturizer that is close to $80, and you know, when I'm out of that, I would totally rather pay $30 and get really good quality product versus $80, you know? So I would definitely recommend this Olay Regenerist Whip. I know they have some other ones. I haven't yet tried them, which I'm really excited. Olay's been around forever, so they're a really credible beauty brand, you know. They definitely do have some other products that I love, like their body wash, and they have a really good eye cream that I have been dying to try. I haven't tried it yet, but I heard that it's amazing. So this face moisturizer is definitely more close to a higher end face moisturizer, and it's $28, which is a little bit steep, but it's definitely cheaper than going the super high end route. So if you are in the market for a face moisturizer that also has an SPF, which is super important. If you didn't see my last video on my summer favorites, go check it out. I'll have a card somewhere right here. But I talk about how important SPF is for your skin, because the sun, especially during the summertime, is super harsh and it's just very damaging. So you want to make sure that you are always using an SPF just to prevent, you know, premature wrinkling and sunspots. Nobody wants any of those, at least, you know I don't. So I would definitely give this face moisturizer a try if you are in the market for a new moisturizer. There is a hot new one on the drugstore aisles. I would definitely give this an A+, just because I have seen a difference in just the way that my skin looks and the way that my makeup is going on. My face hasn't been as oily, so my makeup has actually stayed pretty matte. The moisturizer is just a really good pick to me because it smells really good. It's super light, so it's perfect for the summer, these really hot months. It's perfect under makeup. You don't want anything too crazy thick. So this moisturizer is definitely one of those that you're gonna want out in your little summer must-have kit because it's an affordable, good drugstore moisturizer with a high-end payoff, which you all know, that's my thing. I love affordable with expensive, you know, payoffs. I like to, you know, spend a little but get a bang for my buck. So this moisturizer definitely is that. So if you were wondering if the hype was real, it is real. Go out and give it a try. I know they have it literally everywhere right now. I got mine at Target. So if you are near a Target, Olay is definitely the way. Have you tried this moisturizer out? Have you tried any Olay products? What products of Olay do you love? Because I definitely know I haven't tried enough of their products and I am interested in trying more. So let me know in the comments down below what some of your favorite Olay products are, and if you've tried this moisturizer and if you love it as much as I do. That's gonna be it, guys, on my review on this Olay Regenerist Whip SPF 25 face moisturizer. Well, that was a lot to say, but that is my review and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell button so that you are notified when, you know, my uploads come out and you can be the first to watch them. Thank you guys so much for the recent love on my latest videos. That's gonna be it, guys, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.